Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to get a Victini in Pokemon Blaze Black 2 and Volt White 2. Hack made by Draiano. In this game you can get Victini without anything. You just have to go into this room. You don't have to get the badge in Castelia City or anything, you just have to go. And once you don't actually have to get the item that needs you to go here, just talk to the guy in the ship and he'll get you here. In this room you will find Victini. You can interact with him by, I don't know, catch him maybe. He's in level 15 and yeah, catch him if you want, but I'll catch him. This is not a spoof, it's real. This, I don't know. Draiano made this hack and it's pretty awesome. You can catch all 649 Pokemon in the game without anything trading or anything. Yeah. So I'll battle it now. Okay guys, I'll end this episode here. Subscribe so I can show you more legendaries in Pokemon Blaze Black and Volt White. Bye.